Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all winter intermittent fasting diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs in just 10 days very easily. Now this diet plan works miraculously well for all of those who are looking for quick weight loss but in a very sustainable manner. And this pattern of weight loss, which is intermittent fasting, gives you that satiatedness also, that ability to lose weight also, and to give your body rest from eating in a specific period of time. Recently my lots of clients asked such a diet plan where they can lose weight quickly but eat their specific Indian winter food as well and still lose weight very easily. So can you? For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306822, or directly click on the given link in the description box below and reach out to me on WhatsApp directly. And we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the transformation happening. So without any delay, let's get started with winter intermittent fasting diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs in 10 days very easily. And now let's clear some rules of this intermittent fasting diet plan. What will be the fasting window, eating window, and rules and regulations for the same. We'll be keeping our eating window of approximately 8 hours and fasting window of 16 hours. You can always increase your fasting window or eating window as per your own choice, but I like to keep it for 12 to 8 pm of eating window and fasting window of 8 pm to 12 pm next day. For example, you wake up at 7 in the morning, we'll be still in our fasting window, and for that you can have your early morning drink, be it lemon chia seeds water, or you can have your anti-inflammatory drink as well. Both the recipes are already shared on my channel, which work miraculously well for all my clients. You can either simply just add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, mix it well in 1 glass of lukewarm lemon water, or you can simply have the anti-inflammatory drink, which is made of haldi, lemon and black pepper powder. All these drinks are miraculously wonderful and amazing for your detoxification and to help you reduce inflammation in the body in the morning itself and detoxify your gut as quickly as possible. So you can have these options for your 7 am or early morning drink. Now let's proceed towards our breakfast drink, which is basically at 10 am. If you do feel starting hunger pangs during this time, then you can always consume again 0 calorie liquids, be it black tea, black coffee, green tea, herbal teas like ginger, tulsi, cinnamon tea, no sugar or no milk added to these teas of any kind. You can even have a glass of warm water if you don't like having so, and you can simply have these options for your 10 am drink. And now we'll be proceeding towards our first meal of the day, which is at 12 pm, wherein our eating window starts. 12 pm, I always recommend all my clients to start their eating window with a fruit. As it's winter season, I always recommend my clients to have the collagen drink for good gut health and also to boost their immunity and collagen boosting properties in the morning itself. So you can have this smoothie, which is basically a juice also, collagen boosting juice. I've added these ingredients to the juice. You can add as per your own availability or skip as per your own availability as well. Blend this all together or simply juice it out and add pinch of roasted jeera powder to this, and you're good to go to have your tasty and healthy and nourishing, iron rich and collagen boosting properties rich juice for beginning of the eating window. If you cannot have this, then you can even have ABC juice, which is apple, beetroot, carrot juice, that again proves amazing result for skin boosting and also for weight loss as well. So do try out these options for your 12 pm drink. And now 1 pm is when we'll just quickly have our first meal of the day, which is a solid meal, for which I'll be giving you high protein, high fiber options, and of course 2 to 3 options with this. So my first preference to all my clients in this winter season is to have moong dal khichdi. I have shared lots and lots of khichdi recipes on my channel, but this one is a win-win in every situation. Loved by all of my clients, super easy to prepare, and you can carry it along with your lunch as well. The complete recipes shared here, all I've done here is simply in a pressure cooker adding some ghee. To this I'm adding the regular spices. You can add any of your own choice or skip any of your own choice. Now I have added to this pre-soaked moong dal. Now this is approximately 1 cup of moong dal, and along with that I'm adding here 1 cup of soaked rice. As per your own choice, you can also replace it with white rice or red rice or black rice or brown rice. Add water for the consistency and simply pressuring it up for 2 to 3 whistles, and your moong dal khichdi is ready. No fancy stuff to this, simple and easy to prepare moong dal khichdi, which you can have along with your dahi, curd, raita, salad as per your own choice. Second option is, if you cannot have this because of any reason, then my personal favorite is you can always skip and have saag and makke ki roti. Seasonal, very healthy, and trust me, you can of course enjoy saag and makke ki roti in your diet also. also. It is fiber rich, low in carbohydrates, and works amazingly well for fat loss also. But always make sure to lessen up the ghee or the butter intake in the saag. You can always have 2 makai ki roti along with saag, along with salad, along with lots and lots of bowl full of personal salad, I would say. And you can always enjoy your favorite winter delight this season. My clients love having this for their lunch because trust me, winter season and saag is something which comes hand in hand for North Indians specifically. And third option is for everybody who craves non-veg or can have eggs and non-veg during this time. So you can always have egg curry, chicken curry, fish curry, or whatever type of curries you want to have along with rice. You can have approximately 150 grams of cooked brown rice along with any curry or paneer curry or any curry of your own choice with salad and lots of dahi, of course, because probiotics is very important with every meal. And you're good to go to have your balanced nutritional lunch option for this diet plan. And now we'll proceed towards our mid-evening snack, which comes between our lunch and dinner time. So during this time, you can have your black tea, black coffee, or regular tea or coffee if you like having it so. Along with that, you can have 20 grams of roasted makhana, which is again a source of calcium, vitamin K, E, or you can even skip and have roasted chana along with it. Of course, 20 to 30 grams of roasted chana, but do not add any kind of salt to this. Along with this, you can always have as a quick snack 5 to 6 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts, and 1 anjeer as well. Now, this is a brain development food and works amazingly well to keep you satiated for good time of the day also. And now I'm proceeding towards our last meal of the day, which is the protein meal that I call for the entire day. You can have it by 7:30 to 8 p.m., which is probably the last eating meal of your day for the eating window. We'll definitely keep it fuller because winter season brings it with lots and lots of vegetables and protein rich options. So I'll be giving you 3 options here for this meal as well. The first meal option is you can have a bowl of paneer bhurji, or you can even have soya bhurji or egg bhurji in place of it. Along with that, you can have 1 toast, multigrain toast along with that. Now this is a wholesome protein rich meal along with toast to keep you satiated from the carb intake also. And the complete recipe of paneer bhurji is already up on my channel. As you can see, I'm adding here very minimal ingredients and it tastes super yummy and super quick to prepare as well. So you can follow this complete recipe, have it along with 1 multigrain toast, and you're good to go to have your dinner. Second option is if you cannot have this because of any so reason, then you can always replace it with soup and chila. Now soup, you can have moong dal soup. I've shared the complete recipe on my channel, which is very minimal ingredients and very quick to prepare as well. You can always replace it, and if you cannot have this soup, then you can always have other soup recipes as well. I've shared lots and lots of delicious yummy soup recipes on my channel. Tomato zucchini soup, all tomato soup, or all veggie soup you can call it, lemon coriander soup. You can pick your own choice. Along with that, you can have 1 besan chila or you can have 1 moong dal chila, whatever is easily available at your place. This satiates you in good carb quantity also, fiber intake also, and great for your weight loss also. So do try out these options for your dinner. And third option and the last option is for all of those who are tandoori or grilled or roasted food lovers. So for winter season, you can always take out your barbecues and have it prepared with paneer tikka, soya tikka, chicken tikka. Make it wholesome with lots and lots of vegetables like bell peppers, onions, tomatoes. On my channel, I have shared the complete recipe of paneer tikka. You can always replace it with chicken or soya as per your own choice. Reduce the salt intake in your dinner as much as possible, and you're good to go to have your weight loss oriented meal for this diet plan. And therein we end our eating window of this diet plan. And now we'll have the last meal of the day, which is before going to bed drink or post dinner drink, which will be you can have either a cup of warm chamomile tea, which helps with insomnia, promoting good gut health, boosting your metabolism for the entire night, and great for your digestive system as well. If you cannot have this because of any so reason, you can always replace it with ajwain jeera water, which is again great for your constipation levels, for your good gut health, and also to reduce the postpartum weight very quickly. So you can follow these options for your bedtime drink. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume your at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to give you good hydration benefits, remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly, and great for weight loss as well. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, or you can directly click on the given description box link and reach out to me on WhatsApp directly. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query on any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to help you in your weight loss journey. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon for the new upcoming weight loss diet plans, how my clients reduce weight every single day, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.